In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your project using the shape and media options. We'll start right inside your workspace. Look toward your main toolbar and find the shape icon. In most editors, it looks like a simple square or a combination of basic shapes. Click on that shape icon to open the panel of visual elements. Even though it's called the shape icon, it often serves as the doorway to all visual assets, not just geometric shapes. Inside this panel, locate and click on the option labeled Image Whoosh Video. This is where your editor lets you bring in media from your computer. Selecting Image Video tells the app that you want to import a file rather than draw or insert a preset element. When the file browser opens, look for the drop-down that filters file types and choose All Files. This step is important. If your filter is set to images only or to a specific extension, your video might be hidden from view and you'll think it's missing. Switching to all files ensures you can see every compatible video format stored in the folder, including common types like MP4 or MOV, depending on what your editor supports. Now navigate to the folder where your video is saved and choose a video. If you don't see thumbnails, that's normal. Some systems only show file names. Pick the file you want based on its name and size, and make sure it's the correct version. If your project has multiple clips with similar names, take a moment to double check so you import the right one. With your video located, click on it to select it. You should see it highlight, indicating that it's ready to be brought into your project. This doesn't insert the file yet. It just marks your choice. Finally, click on Open. This confirms your selection and begins the import. Depending on the file size, your system speed, and the app you're using, the video may take a few moments to appear. That's normal. Once it loads, you'll typically see it on your canvas or in your media panel, ready to be positioned, resized, or edited as your project requires. If the video doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment to process. Large files can take longer, and some editors generate thumbnails or transcode in the background. Keeping your media organized in clearly named folders will make this process smoother next time. And that's it. You click the shape icon, selected Image Video, switched the filter to All Files, chose your video, clicked on it, and opened it. Your clip is now in place and ready for your creative